Hi guys, hello everyone. In this video today I am going to show you that how to create a WordPress hosting on AWS with free SSL and DNS with along with Route 53. So first now I am going to create it. So actually I have already have an account only for Amazon Web Series. For those who do not have an account of this Amazon Web Series, I am going to give this link in the description. Before you are creating an account, please read all those instructions very carefully, and after that you can create your account. So directly I'm going to log into this account itself because I have already created this account only, so that's why. So I'm going to log into this account itself. So let's click on create an AWS account. If you do not have an account of this Amazon Web Series, first of all you have to click it as a create as a console. So after that, here it is showing that sign up for AWS is there. No? So you have to fill all those details in. And after that, directly I have already have an account only, no? So that's why now I'm going to sign into this console. Let's click on the sign into this console, or it is here, or you can click it here also. Anyone is better. So that's why let's see here once all of you. Directly I have already logged into this account itself only, no? So this was the main dashboard of our Amazon Web Series. So our first part is that install it as a WordPress. That's first I'm going to Notepad session. Let's wait. Okay. First part, in the first part is that install a WordPress. WordPress. Now how I'm going to install the WordPress? Let's see here in the Amazon Web Series website. So in this Amazon Web Series website, first if you want to install it as a WordPress, first of all you have to click on the EC2 but option is there no EC2 or otherwise your service click on the service option. Here it is showing that EC2. So I'm going to selecting it as a EC2 only. So after you are selecting it as a EC2, and then you have to click on create the instance. See, instance new is there, no? You have to click on instance new. So let's see. I'm going to click it as an instance here. See, here it is showing the instance is there, no? Let's wait. Or otherwise, you can click it from here also. So there are two ways. So that's why let's see here all of you once. See, you can click it here also. Instance is running is there. You can click it as an instance running also, rather or otherwise instance new is there. You can click it as a instance new also. So that's why in this two, I'm going to selecting it as a instance running option. So after I have clicked it as a instance running option, and you have to click on launch an instance. So let's see. I'm going to click it as a launch an instance, but there is nothing is there. No, so directly I'm going to click it as a launch an instance. So let's see. Okay, now I am going to click it as a launch an instance. See, after clicking it as a launch instance, you have to install it as a WordPress. So now how I am going to install it as a WordPress? Look at here once very carefully, all of you. Okay. Okay, in AWS Marketplace, there are 290 results are there in AWS Marketplace. So directly now I'm going to click it as a Marketplace. So I'm going to search the WordPress in this Marketplace itself only. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to selecting it as a WordPress certified by Bitnami is there. No, you have to click it as a WordPress certified by Bitnami. So let's see here. Look at very carefully, all of you. First one is that you have to choose an AMI. So in this AMI, you have to click on the continue. So I'm going to click it as a click on continue. And coming to the next part is that you have to choose an instant type. This is a free tile instance is then you have to select it as a free tile instance only. After If it has already selected it as a free trial instance, directly you can move on to the next button of configure instance. See, uh, but I'm going to selecting it as a, so here it is showing that free trial eligible is, then you have to click on here for free trial eligible. After you have clicked it as a free trial eligible, you have to click on the configure next details. So, and after that directly you can click on add storage and add tags. If you want to add a new tag, you can add a tag also, but I'm not going to add it as a new tag itself only. Directly now I'm going to launch it as a WordPress. See here. And after that, you have to click on review and launch. So, and directly you can click it as a launcher. So that's it. See, if I'm going to create it as a new page. For example, this was the key page name that I have created here, and you have to click on download. See, uh, it's downloaded now only now. So and after it's downloaded, you have to click on launch an instance. Launch an instance is there now. You have to first of all you have to click it as a launch an instance after you have downloaded the key page name. So let's wait. Now it's installing your launch. Let's wait. Okay. Now coming to the next point is that, let's see. Well, look at very carefully all of you. So first of all, I have to paste the IP address to another new tab in the whatever I have created it as a new instance. So let's say in this new instance, you will be get it as a IP address. So let's see once all of you look at very carefully. Oh, but it's a very simple guys, but there is no tough. So please watch my video, everyone. This was a simple concept I am going to explain you for how to create a WordPress on EC2 with free SSL DNS. So coming to see here. So now I am going to find the IP address and you have to paste it in the new tab, or otherwise you can paste it in the new tab also. So that's why this was the example. Let's see. I'm going to paste this IP public IPv4 address. So let's see. I'm going to paste it here public IPv4 address. Okay. Okay. I'm going to paste in this public IP address. Okay. Now, and coming to the next, I'm going to paste it as new in a new tab also. So directly now I'm going to show you here. Before you are pasting it as this new tab of IPv4 address. See here once. I'm going to paste it here my IPv4 address, and you have to click on. And after you have to click it here. Let's wait. Okay. Now it's launching. Or otherwise we are getting some issue problems itself. So meanwhile, after that, but you are going to launch it as a WordPress website 100% surely. Let's see here once. This was the example that I have already shown you here, cell phone menu. So once it has been opened for WordPress. So now I'm going to launch launch this WordPress website only. So or otherwise, I see here one sort of you. Let's see. I'm going to paste it here. See, see, but it has been opened shortly. No? See, it has been opened successfully. And after that, we have opened this WordPress website. See, coming to the next point is that see, once all of you look at very carefully. But here also it has been opened successfully. Okay, now I'm going to click it as a continue to my IP address. But it has been opened successfully. And coming to the next point is that see now I'm going to the next option is that root 53. Af- After you have clicked it as a root 53, if you want to add a domain name, you have to go to the root 53 management console. So here it is showing that root 53 management console is there. No? You have to click it as a root 53 management console. So let's see. Uh, and after that, I have you have to select it as a DNS management. Is you know, so DNS management. I'm going to select it here. See, okay. Let's see here, and you have to click on host zone. Is there? No, you have to click it as a host zone. And after that, if you have a domain name, you have to enter your domain name. See, I'm going to enter my domain name itself. Let's see here once all of you. First of all, you have to click it as a create a host zone. So I'm going to remove this. No? But it's but yeah, in some case we got an issue on this. So directly now I'm going to show you how I'm going to create this new website. So I'm going to pick it as a create a host zone. Okay. I'm going to select it as a advisor.com. And after that, you have to click on create hosted zone. Here it is showing on let's wait. Okay. And here it is showing that create a host zone is there. No? So let's see here once all of you have okay. These are the four name servers are there. No? So I'm going to copy the four name servers into notepad only. So I'm going to paste it those four name servers in notepad itself. Okay. Let's I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now let's see. If you are and after that you have to click on record. Click on record is there. No? You have to click on as a click a record. See. In the record name, you have to type it as a blog, the blog name or a www dot. It says there, no. So and after that, you have to paste your IP address. See how I am going to show you here. Okay, now I have to paste this IP address into. See here, I'm okay. Let's see here. I'm going to paste it as the IP address, and after that, you have to click on create records. And again, after that, again you have to click it as a create in records itself only. So let's see. And after you have clicked it as a create an account, again you have to paste your IP address itself. See, okay. Now I'm going to click it as a create a record. But there is no need to write any block name itself. So directly you have to paste the IP address, and after that again you have to click it as a create a records. So actually, and next part is that now I'm going to how I'm going to the GoDaddy website. Let's see GoDaddy website. Actually, I have already buy this domain in GoDaddy itself only, so that's why I'm going to paste those four name servers into GoDaddy account. So let's see here, all of you. First of all, you got it as a four name servers. You got it as a four name servers. Is there no? So these four server names you have to paste into the GoDaddy account. So I'm going to sign into my account of GoDaddy, and I have to search my product, and I have to paste it as a name service in this GoDaddy account only. So let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to paste those four name servers in GoDaddy account only. Let's see how I'm going to paste it here. So look at very carefully once all of you. But it was a very simplest way, guys. But there is no doubt itself. So I'm going to click on create an account itself. Okay. It's loading on, late. Let's be wait for one. So okay. See here it is showing you GoDaddy. Loadadvisor.com is there now. Okay. In this loadadvisor.com, I have already entered it as a domain name. Now domain name is loadadvisor.com only now. So you have to click it as a DNS, and you have to paste those code name servers into domain name servers. Let's see how I am going to paste it here. I'm going to change the name service itself. Whatever you have got that new name servers, you have to paste those four new name servers itself only. So let's now I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to delete those four name servers only. That's it. Okay, first let it see here once all of you. going once. After you have pasted it as a name servers into GoDaddy, let it be wait for few minutes. Your website will be loaded successfully for and after that, coming to the next point is that how I am going to create a SSL certificate. Let's see. Okay, now I have pasted now. Here only no, so and after you have to click on save. And after you have clicked it as a save, just wait for few minutes. Your website will be loaded itself. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. Now I am going to click as a loadproject.com. Now it's loaded only now. Let's wait. Let it be wait. Hmm. Okay. Now again and after you have to click it as a loadproject.com username. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Now it launched it. Now I have launched the WordPress website only. Coming to the next point is that if you want to get a username and password, see here they have to go to the instance easy to instance easy to username. So now I'm going to click it as the instance. Just now whatever you have selected, whatever you have created a new instance, so you have to select that instance. So see, I'm going to select in this instance. This was my new instance, so then that I have already created itself. So you have to click on actions and monitor and troubleshoot is there now. So in the you have to click it as a monitor and troubleshoot, and after that you have to click it as a get system log. Okay, let's say you'll you'll be find you can find your username and password itself. Let's look at very carefully all of you. Okay, just now I got a username. That username is user itself only. Here it is showing now. Username is user itself. So I'm going to paste this password into notepad only. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to paste it here. Hmm. See here once. Now I'm going to launch this WordPress only. Okay, now directly I'm logging to this WordPress. See here, first of all, I have launched this WordPress website only now. So okay, now let's come to the next point is that how to create a SSL. So, okay, now I'm going to type it as a putty.com. putty software. You have to use the putty software is there. So I'm going to the select it as a putty generation, and after that you have to select it as a putty website also. Putty not putty website, putty software. So okay. Now okay. Now I'm going to select this, and you have to click on okay, and after that you have to click it as a save private key is there. No, you have to click it as a save private key. So you can type any name also. Okay, I have clicked it as a save. And after that, coming to the next point is that now I am going to the putty. Let's see. I'm going to click it as a putty only. No? So let's see. I have to paste this IP address is there. No, I have to paste my IP address. See, now I'm going to paste this IP address only. No? Let's see. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to create it here. Yeah. You have to paste this public IP address into putty. Yeah. And after that, you have to go to the SSH, and you have to click it as auth. Whatever you have created a private key, private page key, so you have to select it as a private key. So this was my new folder. Just now I have already created it only now. So and after that, connection data is there. No? So you have to create your username. So that means I'm going to type in it as a now. Okay, and after that, let's see. After that, you have to first of all you have to click on open. And before you have to click on open, you have to go to the first session, and I'm going to select it as loadpresent.com. And after that, you have to click on load and you have to click on save. Okay. Now I'm going to click on open. Let's wait. Let's see. This was my free app only, so that's why putting it. See here once all of you. This was my putty app itself only. So I have already generated itself only, so that's why. So and after that, we have to go to the putty app. See, this was a very simple, guys, or simple all of you. So one thing is that you have to go to the putty app is there. So I'm going to click it as a putty app. So, and after that, you have to click on accept. Let's wait. Let's see here. All of you. Now I'm going again. I'm going to show you here. So again, I'm going to the putty app only. Okay. And after that, you have to click on load in. You have to click on save here. And you have to select it. Then you have to click on load. And after that, you have to click on save. So first of all, again, again, I'm going to show you here once all of you. So you have to select it as a auth and you have to browse your browse your folder. That means I have whatever I have already created a browser. So I'm going to select it as a browser. And after that, yeah, go to the connection, data connection is there now. So I'm going to enter the username it as a bitnami. Okay. Okay. And after that, finally you have to go to the session and you have to click on login. Okay. Let's see. And let's see here once all. Let's see. Again, I'm going to put the app itself. So I'm now, first of all, I have to paste it as a host name. And before actually one thing I have already forgotten, so that's why I'm running. That's why we are getting a error problem itself. So first, I'm going to click it as a auth, and we have what after that we have to select your browser. So just now I have already created this browser only, so and I am going to select it as a browser. And coming to the next point is the data. You have to enter the username. Okay. After that, here it is showing that SSL tunnel is there, so you have to click on tunnel. See, I'm going to certain typing it as in, and after that local host 8. I have to click on. I'm going to click it here, and after that you have to click on open. Let's see. Let's see here once off. I'm going to show you this here itself. Okay, that means now I'm going to paste it here. Let 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 me wait once off. And after that, here it is showing that please provide a value space separated list of domains for which you wish to configure your web server. And now I'm going to type in my domain name. Okay, I'm going to type in my domain name. And coming to the next point is that the following domains were not included. So if you want to add them, if you want to click on yes, you can click it as, or otherwise you can click it no. So that's why I'm going to click it as a yes only. So coming to the next point is that okay, now I'm going to click it as a continue. See, let's wait. So there is a small mistake I have already typed in here. So that's why I have reconnected here. So and after that you have to please select the redirections you wish to enable or disable on your bitnami. So if you want to select yes, you can select it yes, or otherwise you can select it as a no. So I'm going to select it as a yes only. So and enable non-to redirection is then if you want to select yes or otherwise no. So I'm going to select it as a no itself only. See, let's or otherwise you can select the yes also. Yes, I'm going to agree those changes here, or otherwise no. I'm going to setting it as a yes only. So see here once okay. And after that you have to create your email address. You have to type your email address is asking it. No, you have to go. You have to type it as your email address. Do you agree to the Let's Encrypt subscriber agreement or yes or no? That's your wish. I'm going to select it as a yes only. See, see, see. Let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. It will be 100% sure. See you now. See you now. Now I'm going to typing it as a continue only. Let's see. Let's see once all of you. Okay. I'm going to enter my domain name. Let's say. Let's say. Finally, I have done the SSL certificate. It's a very simple guys for all of you, especially for those who do not understand this concept of how to make a WordPress website easy to an SSL certificate along with Route 53. So please watch my video everyone again and again all of you. So thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon here. Thank you.